Hi everyone, welcome to the Cucina Chronicles. I'm Roseanne.
And I'm Stephanie. Today we're going to be making chicken adobo and rice.
Let's get started.
Let's do it. I broke my rice cooker because I dropped it. So I'm going to make it on the stove top. Hey, pause. How much rice?
Like a cup.
A cup?
Oh!
Who's eating?
2 cups.
Okay.
3 cups. Half a head of garlic, and then we're going to do 1 onion. What size is this, would you say, Steph? Medium?
Medium.
Medium. This vinegar is the legit vinegar. You will find it in a Filipino store, maybe an Asian market. I don't know if they have it at your local supermarket. If you don't have one in your neighborhood, just use the vinegar. What type of vinegar? Just like vinegar.
White vinegar?
White vinegar. But this is the legit vinegar that we use. Any soy sauce is fine. My mom uses a particular soy sauce, but this soy sauce right here will do.
They also have Dati Puti soy sauce.
Yes.
Brand.
Yes.
Is that what your mom uses?
Yeah. And I got soy sauce.
Okay.
We also have bay leaves that we'll be using, and then ground pepper. Sometimes people will use peppercorn. Is that what it's called?
Yeah,
peppercorn.
peppercorn.
Peppercorn. Pepper.
Yeah, peppercorn.
Peppercorn. Today we're just going to use ground pepper. This is optional, but I love this for that extra mamacita adobo taste right here. It is the adobo mix, so we'll mix that in there. Now I'm gonna do this garlic. Oh! I breathed in air. It was like garlic air though. I have my water bowl right here so that my hands don't get sticky when I peel off the, it's getting sticky. There it is. No. Oh, wow.
Today we're going to be using chicken thighs. So I'm just going to season the chicken thighs with black pepper. We're going to cook the chicken adobo in the Instant Pot today. Non-traditional. Alright, so pressure cooked chicken adobo. So this meal is usually cooked over the stove.
Yep.
I'm going to put it in for 10 minutes.
It's much quicker on the Instant Pot.
Okay, so here on the Instant Pot, what we're going to do is we're going to start the chicken by sauteing the skin side, like for a couple minutes. Alright, I'm going to pour, I don't know.
That's good
That
enough.
much? What's that, 2 tablespoons?
Yeah.
3 tablespoons? I don't know. Get my tongs. Get them thongs on.
Steph showed me a trick. What do you call this trick? I cut it like that, but not all the way, so that when I cut it like this way, boom! Yeah, much quicker. Steph taught me that. I said, wow, life-changing. How'd you learn that?
Food Network.
They be teaching you about food, huh?
The Instant Pot said to saute, and I'm going to put the skin side down.
Ooh! Sure do. Oh, that noise. I'm gonna say music. Sounds beautiful. It sounds like things are cooking.
Let's go ahead and measure out 2 parts soy sauce, 1 part vinegar. We're going to do 1 cup of soy sauce, half cup vinegar. Oops, I think I put 1 in the cup. Whatever.
Yeah, it's fine. I hate taking this off.
You want me to get it?
Yeah. What? Oh, what is this? Foil?
Yeah.
It's just foil
So
with
it's
what?
fresh.
Oh my god, this is so good. I love the smell of vinegar. Like, I could do this all day. Well, especially this vinegar. I think this vinegar is very distinct from the white vinegar.
This one has a more like a tanginess
Yeah.
to it. The white vinegar is a little bit sweeter, I think. It's a difference.
That was a good adjective. I didn't know how to describe it. Okay, I've never read the back until now.
We're going to remove the chicken, set it to the side so that we can saute the garlic and onions. Okay. In the garlic. Yum, yum. In the diced.
Squared. When you put it into squares.
Square.
Dice.
The onions have softened, so we're gonna go ahead and put the chicken back in. Yummy. Alright, and then we're gonna add the
Soy sauce.
Wow. Here's the vinegar as well. It's gonna be so good.
Mamacita.
Pizzas. Kind of be extra, but it's good.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow.
And then the baby. And that's it.
It's to make it smell good.
Okay.
That smells good. I got a whiff of that.
It's chicken thighs, so I'm gonna do 8 minutes.
Alright, we will see you in 8 minutes, not in real time. Look at that. That looks so yummy. Ooh.
Super tender.
What? Review.
Good.
Alright. Here it is.
It's time to eat. I'm so hungry.
Chicken adobo.
Oh, you know we forgot? This.
Oh, Steph adds that. I don't add that.
This vinegar is definitely different from using white vinegar.
Oh, yeah.
Are you okay?
It's good. Chicken thighs is good. Yeah. Maple loves the smell of chicken adobo. She used to have.
Does she get it?
Yeah, she had some when she was younger. So she knows. That's good.
I need more rice. I didn't eat adobo when I was a kid.
You didn't?
No.
Really? You didn't like it? Oh, what about it didn't you like?
I don't know. I got pregnant. Then I started eating it.
That's when you started eating it? What? But your parents would still cook it?
Yeah. It's funny because every time they'd cook it, they'd be like, just try it. As if I didn't try it like every other week.
So what would you eat when they would make chicken adobo for the family? What'd you eat?
An egg. I always ate scrambled eggs and rice. So probably that.
Girl, you had choices. I did not have choices.
Or Vienna sausages.
All done. I ate all my rice. I even licked the chicken.
Lick the chicken?
Yeah, and then I I don't want to waste. Thanks for joining us tonight while we made chicken adobo.
I hope you enjoyed our Instant Pot version of the meal. Comment below on how you guys make your chicken adobo.
Thanks for joining us.